Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your partner on the Flow app. So once you have downloaded the Flow application, just open the Flow app and you will see an interface like this one or similar. Just let it load. It might take few seconds. So once you're at this page, just click on everything or click on accept all, click on next. Once it's done, just click on I will, and it will like ask you to choose the plan. So make sure to choose the plan as well. And once you choose the plan, it will basically let me just show you the home interface, which will look like this, as you can see. So once you're at this page, so from the bottom most right corner, just go inside the partners and just click on link your partner. And once you click on link your partner, as you can see, like this is your pairing code. So make sure to open the Flow app on your partner's phone as well. And once you open the this Flow app on the partners app as well, so you can just enter that code in your like partners Flow app. So once you connect it, you will be able to pair your Flow app with your partner as well. So that's a simple and pretty easy process of how you can do that.